Pressure switch. Q-series pressure switches are devices that automatically connect or disconnect electrical circuits by sensing changes in fluid pressure. By detecting the pressure difference between the two pressure sources, when the difference reaches a preset threshold, the internal mechanical or electronic structure is automatically triggered to turn the switch on and off. Simple design, easy to install. Adjustable pressure range and differential setting. Obtain TÜV Rheinland CE certification. IP44, suitable for protection requirements of various common applications. Pressure connection sizes and specifications available. Mainly used in equipment safety protection, flow monitoring. Liquid level monitoring, equipment start and stop control.